Hey Diva Dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with a brand new video. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe as well as hit the notification bell. If you are a Diva Doll or a Diva Don, welcome back. But today I do have a clothing haul and I partner with Lovelywholesale. So if you want to see what it is that I picked up, stay tuned. Okay, so I've decided to do this video in a way where I am showing you what it is that I got versus what it is that I ordered. So as you can see, that was the top. Basically, I do say that this one was really close to what it is that I picked up. I got this in a size 1X and it looked like in the picture it was actually a little more see-through, like a different material. I can go ahead and just tell you right now, all the material for all of these items, 9 times out of 10 is going to be basically polyester and spandex blend. Now this top I think is really different. I love the colors. It feels pretty comfortable. I can see myself wearing it tied up like this or even having it tucked in just like the model on the website. But so far, this one I would say looked much like what I ordered. Okay, now this dress did fit me like a glove as far as how it stretches, but I did get it in a pretty big size. I got this in an extra large. So it's supposed to be a denim rouge dress, like the picture. Definitely not denim, definitely doesn't look like the picture, but just depending on your taste and your style, you can still make it work. So again, I got this in extra large. It does fit me a little bigger, obviously, than I like, but I still wanted to put it on and show you dolls what it looked like because it does cinch your waist and it does hug your curves. And it's a pretty different dress, but I think it's pretty cute. Now, I have been so in love with Leopard. I'm telling y'all, this is definitely a trend of this season. So this is a one piece. As you can see, it kind of has that stretched out white background. So this is a fast fashion site. You get what you pay for. So this particular item is less than 14 bucks. I got it in size extra large. That's what it was supposed to look like. And obviously it does not look like what I ordered, but it's pretty similar. And I can still see myself rocking this. So again, I got this in a size extra large. It does fit pretty well. It doesn't give me any kind of gaps in the back. So that's kind of important. I'm 5'6", I'm pretty tall for a girl, and as you can see, these do go down past my ankles, so if I wanted to wear heels, then I think it would look good. It would not look like high waters. I'm gonna put my measurements down below in the box so you guys can get an idea of what this could look like on you, but I think it's extremely cute and I would recommend it. Now this jacket, I definitely love because I am a lover of jean jackets. So this one I picked up because based off of the model, it was a short cut denim jacket. It was light medium color. And honestly, it does not look like the picture as far as the structure and the pocket type, but it's still cute, okay? So again, less than 15 bucks. You get what you pay for. This is why I'm doing these videos. I want you dolls to kind of tell what it is you're gonna get. But this one wasn't too bad, okay? So it wasn't too different. I love that everything has real buttons. You know, I can button it up, button it down. The denim was kind of a light denim, so it wasn't super heavy or anything, but again, still really cute. I honestly would have even sized one down. So it does have that oversized baggy look, but I really like it. In fact, I can wear this buttoned up and kind of off the shoulders. I like the kind of swag that you get from it. And if you've been watching my hauls for a while, you know that I absolutely love showing off my shoulders. I think it's the most feminine part of a woman's body. So yeah, I think it's really cute and I would recommend it. Now, this is a one-piece outfit. I've been really in love with one-piece outfits lately because you can just throw them on and go. Now, these colors look more spring to me, not really fall fashion as I thought it would look compared to the picture. So this is the picture. Fall colors. It looks like it's really stretchy and loose. This particular outfit did not look like the picture, but it's still cute. So again, I definitely want to do these videos so that you get an idea of what it looks like. And yeah, it's still cute. Again, I am pretty tall for a woman, so this does show that it goes down to your feet. And if you were to wear heels, it would not be too short for you. Now this top in particular, okay, I really wanted to like it. Based off of the model, I wore it wrong. I should have had it unbuttoned, but because of my chest, it would not stay closed. So at least I did show you that it looks pretty much like the picture. So you can't go wrong with that. It's very structured, very clean. I love that these are individual buttons, so you do have to button it all the way down. But now that I see how it's worn on the website, I can definitely see me wearing this tucked in high waist jeans or high waist pants or even a high waist skirt. So I definitely would have it unbuttoned, but this one does look much like the picture and it's really cute and I would recommend it. Now for this set, I absolutely love it. I think this is probably the best item that I got from the entire haul because with this set, it did look much like the picture. So as you can see, it goes down to my ankles. I have skinny ankles and I love that it actually fits. So looking in the picture, it's a duster that goes down to your ankles as well. And I didn't have anyone to button me up or zip me up. So I just wanted to show you what it looked like. So I got this in a 3X, which I'm so happy that I did. Y'all, you got to pay attention to the sizing chart, okay? Pay attention to that sizing chart. You will see that you get the right size. That's what I did, and I'm glad that I paid attention. So this is the 3X. Again, I'll put my measurements down below in the box, but it fits my hips, it fits my waist. I actually love it. I mean, it looks really cute. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it, but I know I'm gonna slay because I love dusters. This duster does not have a closure, so you just put it on and go. You can even wear this duster with some jeans and a tank top. I mean, it feels really good, y'all. Like, I felt so comfortable in this. It's not quite stretchy. This is more a knit. So I'm not sure what the fabric's made out of, but it's more of a knit. And of course, knit has a little give, but not really a stretch. So really chic. Absolutely love it. I can rock this with a red lip. You should definitely pick it up. Now here we are again with another jean jacket. Obviously I had to pick this up because it is so adorable. I absolutely love the spikes. They have these spikes all throughout the jacket, on the sleeve, on the back, on the collar. It's not that heavy. The denim feels pretty good. I've worn it already and I've got so many compliments. I just really think it's cute. So this one does look much like the picture. Definitely have to give it 2 thumbs up. You would not be disappointed. It definitely looks like the picture. So again, what I ordered is what I got. So if you want like an oversized look, keep in mind that's the way this jacket comes. So if you want it to be a little bit more snug, you can actually order a size down. So I actually could have seen myself wearing this a size down, but now that it is a size that I have, I could just see me wearing it with casual clothes. Okay, so it's like a throw on and go, and I'm really happy with it. Okay, next is this dress, very much like the picture. Obviously, it is not Balmain, but it is inspired. So it is fashion inspired. Again, looks just like the picture. The quality, you get what you pay for. It is very thin, it is very short, but it's not too see-through. So I really like the shape of it because of the pucker details on the shoulders. So I thought that was cute. I like how it is a bodycon dress that's long sleeved. Again, very short. Look, I'm showing all my goodies, girl. Like, you gotta be mindful. This is a short dress, but I am here as a resource. I want you dolls to see what it looks like versus what it is on the website. And for this dress, for the most part, it's pretty on point. So I checked out the accessories on this website because they have a lot of cute ones. This is the thank you bag. It's how it looks online versus the way it looks in person. It's pretty on point. So I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but this is really shimmery. This is a mini bag, definitely a trend having the mini purses, and this does fit my cell phone. I have the 10 Max XS, so that's cool. It fits my lip gloss. You can get a lot in the little bag, so don't get it twisted. Just because it's a mini bag doesn't mean it's not going to hold a lot. So I just wanted to demonstrate that for you and show you what it looks like. But this is a really cute little bag. If you're into accessorizing your looks, be sure to check out their accessory section because it does look pretty good. So again, along with that, I definitely wanted to show you the necklace. So this necklace, I love the whole layered look. I love the whole bling out chain look. So this one is a little bit different because some of these chains do not have diamonds on it. They're just silver circles. So I just wanted to show you what that looks like. I think it looks pretty on point. It's less than $6. It's a great accessory to throw on with just a tank top and maybe some jeans. Now this outfit, definitely too small for me. I got it in an extra large. They didn't have a bigger size. So yeah, it runs pretty small in my opinion. It looks really pretty though. I don't think it looks like the picture because of how small it runs. But hey, if you can get into it, if you got the body for it, then serve, girlfriend. Last but not least, I got this mini bag. This kind of gives you that Hermes feel as far as the design of the bag. PVC is very on trend right now, and I just thought this bag was so cute. I love the iridescent of the bag, and I love that it also comes with a crossbody chain. So really cute. Again, a mini bag. It can hold my cell phone, my ID purse, like my wallet, and some lipstick. Okay, dolls, so that is it. Again, I did partner with Lovely Wholesale. It is a fashion website. You get what you pay for, but I love doing these videos for you dolls because I am always surprised by the quality of some of the items. So I hope this video was helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave a comment down below if your favorite look, as well as if you shopped Lovely Wholesale before and what your experience was. Now I will leave the links down below to everything that I picked up today, as well as my sizes. So I hope that helps when you're shopping. Always take a look at the sizing chart. Sometimes it's different for each item. If you don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do that. My name is @ChrissieTheDoll. Also, be sure that you are subscribed to my fitness and my vlog channel. I'll put the links to those channels down below in the box. I want to say thank you dolls so much for rocking with me and supporting me and watching my videos. And I will see you dolls next time. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.